our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create shortcut for a contact on Android for easy access and quick access. So let's dive in. Begin to click on your call menu button and click on contact. Then go and look for the certain contact you want to create a shortcut to be on your desktop for easy access. Now, for example, now I'm going to click on this number. Just click on it. When you click on it, click on this three menu button here and here create shortcut. Click on create shortcut and this is it. Just click on add and this is it. Click on add and you have automatically add this person to your desktop. So let's go and check it. This is it. You can see it here. This is it here. This A. So just click on it and you'll be able to have a direct call to that person very quickly and very easy. So guys, if you found this video helpful, click the like button, share and comment.